What is up, everybody? So today I'm going to be continuing my inverse FVG model on backtesting. So going through, I think we're into January, mid to end January. So I'm going to continue that. And this is 10:12, which means I have about half hour before market opens. So I'm pretty much going to do this about half hour, hop off, and then hop back on again and do live trading. Because I do have time today, thank God. So yeah, that's pretty much just what it's going to be. So let's get started. So right now we're at 95% up, pretty damn good. 83.1% win rate, 93 trades, 59 wins, 12 losses, 22 break evens. Pretty good, pretty good, pretty good. So let me actually just check this 59 out of... Wait, if I want my actual win rate, it's going to be 59 divided by 93, I think. Is that right? Yeah, so I'm still sitting at 63% win rate. But 83% not lose rate, if that makes sense. So yeah, need more analytics. These are my days. Pretty low on Wednesday, Thursday of losing trades, which is pretty good. And right now we're up 26%. Damn, did not see that one coming. And we have 2 more days left. So let's see if we can get through this week. And yeah, let's see if we can get that done. Maybe not. Maybe we'll get to Thursday or end Thursday. On average, it takes me around 8 minutes to get through a day, so we shall see. Yeah, I remember taking a loss in here and then a small win. So now let's go to the next day. It's New York session. All right, cool. So let's figure out where we are in price, what it is that we're doing, where it is that we're going. Make sure I have my phone on to bring it on. Okay. So I would expect us from here just to continue higher, ultimately take out this high. All right, from here, continue higher, take out that high. Not that high, these highs. Equal highs, and ultimately this one. I'd probably aim for the equal highs first. I do think we come a little bit lower before going up higher. But yes, that's what I'm seeing. So again, to reiterate, I think it's coming a little bit lower before going higher, ultimately taking out these equal highs. All right, 15-minute. Don't really look at the 15 all too much, to be honest with you. So we swept equals there. Our midnight open is here. So yeah, we did close above. Yeah, okay, cool. All right, so let's fast forward to 9:45. All right, cool. So this is 9:45. This is what we're looking at. To me, it looks like we were going bullish. It looks like we swept these equal lows at 9:15, pushing higher. 1 minute is telling me the same thing. Not gonna take this one. It did do what I wanted it to do, but kind of don't like taking it right at 9:45. So yeah, patience, man. Patience. So now we're building south side, a lot of it. Okay. Okay, that's fine. That's the lower that I was speaking about. Lower again. Okay. Believe me, I see this large one. I'm just not taking it. Let's see what the 2 minute looks like. That's... Yeah, I'm just not gonna take it. For this particular entry model system, I'm not gonna take it. This is probably a higher time frame kind of move. It looks pretty quality on a 5 minute, if I'm being honest with you. And we have the clear push off into probably a clear move up, but when I'm testing, whoops, that doesn't interest me. Okay, so this would interest me if we close above here now. Okay, so this interests me. So I'm going to take this, cover this low. This could very well just be a loss, but I don't think it will be. This will be my first target. Break even at these highs. No need to really hold it super long. We've got these equals here, so I should attract price. Let's go place order. Save. And break even. Let's see. I think I'm getting smoked here. Oh, you dirty, dirty dog. Alright, well. If I didn't ding, I would have been 50% off at these new highs, because that would have been about halfway. Let me just try and bring that back to like that. Not quite halfway, but I think we would have tapped halfway about there. So yeah, but I still got tapped out, so it's fine. Looking a little late into the day. Okay. So now, same kind of scenario. Swept equals. Not equals, but we swept some form of liquidity in here, I think. But, nah. Okay. Definitely swept more. This would be interesting. Nah, we're just going lower. Nothing really from this particular entry model system of where we're going. In terms of entries and whatnot. On a different entry model system, you could have been in short. But yeah, now we've got equals. Probably wouldn't trade this either, to be honest, because we've got equals right here. Just wait for the equals to get ran. In my opinion, that's always the safest bet. And now we're past 11 o'clock, so it doesn't really quite make too much sense to do that. Let's just see which one gets done. Well, now we have equals on both sides. So that one's swept, and we're going higher. Yeah, so one break-even trade on this particular day. Let's go to the next New York session. So where were we yesterday? We were all up here. We were up here yesterday. We just kind of sold off. Okay. So my bias on this particular day was wrong. It's fine, happens. Come back. Oh yeah, this one. Come back in and react into the FG. Coming back in. That's still bearish. Still bearish. 5 minute. Swept equals. We'll see what happens here. At 9:45. Alright, cool. 9:45. Yeah. Pretty bearish. Pretty much, in my opinion, going to target this. One minute. Now this one is a bit interesting. Where is it that we are? So price did sweep this last. This one's a bit more difficult in my opinion. I don't think I'm gonna take the first one, especially since it is at 9:30. Really aggressively pushed up, swept some form of liquidity, and then pushed lower. 8:30 we had news. Yeah, it could be, but my bias as of right this second is not the best, so I'm just gonna wait it out. That would have been a break-even trade though. No. I'm more inclined to look short. Yeah, would have been out break even more than likely. Let's see, if this gets inversed, I'd be looking long. Did this get? It did get inversed here. This is a little skeptical about this one. Honestly, I am a little skeptical. That'll be the target, place order. There we go. Hopefully we can get this break even, which is this high, and get that pretty quickly. I hope. But in all honesty, I'm not trusting this one. Yeah. We're getting smoked. Getting smoked. Getting smoked. Yeah. And I don't know. I can tell pretty quickly if we're going or if we're not. So we got that one out the way. That was a bad. Looking for longs was a bad idea, especially since you should be going for this low on the hour. Ooh, well, let's see if we can get a short opportunity here. No short opportunities in here though. I mean, you would have to wait for this one to close below, which it did. But no real short opportunities. Nothing. We're just going straight on down, baby. I don't want these equals to get swept. Again, nothing. So that's the day. There. To New York session. Next day, we swept the lows. Whatever that is. Jesus. Let's see what happens here. Do we expect us to go higher or lower? I'm gonna say higher from this point. Pretty clear target, which is these highs. 5 minute. We have news at 10 a.m., so I won't trade until after 10. So 10. So let's see what we do. Okay. No liquidity taken as yet from. Oh yeah, we took internal liquidity. Do we have entries? No type of entries yet. It's fine. Jesus. Different entry model system we'd be in, but not on this one, and the target looks pretty much smacked. Oh, hold on 1 second, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. Had something on the fire and it was making noise. I have to check it real quick. Yeah, okay. So still looking a bit slow here. In my opinion, I think we are now bullish. Yeah. Without a doubt, I think we're bullish. But I don't really have anywhere really to take a trade from. This could be it, but that's well, now if I get in here, stop down here, which should be okay, break even at these highs. I've never taken a trade like this before, so I'm not too sure. But if I had to say 50% of the wick is where I would look to target. For first target, well, for overall target. Okay. Damn, this is far. But yeah. That's going to be the trade. Break even quickly at this high. Just doesn't look like it should be an issue. Let's see. Alright, cool. Break even. Great. It's cool. And smoked. There we go. So, took it. Break even. Cool. No issues there. What time is it? It's 9:40. I don't know. We'll see if we can get another one in. We'll see. I don't like these ones. Now we swap liquidity. Well, looks like my bias was just wrong all along, so. Yeah, 11 o'clock. I wouldn't be looking for a new trade here. Just wouldn't. Different entry model system. We are in, actually. Order block in. Target below. Target these or something. Time we at 9:28. Alright, next day. It's been a pretty poor day, to be honest with you. 1 win, 1 loss, 2 break evens. We're now into Friday, February the 2nd. So this will be the last trade that I do on the backtesting. You look pretty bullish. I'd be looking to take this up, if I'm being honest with you. Wow. So it came down from 11 o'clock on, we just propelled up. Looking for longs in here. Price didn't really want to do that, but it's alright. That's how it goes. Yeah, I'd be looking for longs, so that's pretty good. Like how that looks. 45, there we go. Is there anything that suggests I can get in here? Just wait for the longs to cement themselves. Just technically here. We'll do this. It's a little break even at this point, obviously. Target. That's not even a 1 to 2 though. Jeez. Not even a 1 to 2. I'm not taking that. We'll watch it, but I'm not taking it. Yeah. Smart move. Now this would be a better trade. Nope. Nope. Yes, on a different model system, but no on what we're trading. And that different model system would have brought in some bread. Well, at least break even right there. Again, no. Okay. Swept. There we go. Long. Long here, cover here. Target these equal highs, I guess. But these equal highs don't give me nearly enough R. But go like that. Place order. Market save. Okay, and break even. Whoops, yeah, probably take 50% off. Break even, break even, break even. Okay, there we go, and boom. So there we go. That's a win. I really like these ones. I've noticed these ones. I'm like 80. Well, these ones I'm like 90% sure I'm gonna make some money on these ones. I really like these ones. And yeah, now we're at highs. I'm not sure. Well, probably could have targeted these, but that's alright. We'll wait for someone else maybe, if we can get it before 11. It's not looking like it. Maybe. I'd wait for this one. I don't like how that closed. It's better, but yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this day and this session. So, oh, that would have been it right there. That would have been a good one. Except internal liquidity. This one, way too late. 11:30. This one, cover. I might have got wicked out, but yeah. So that's gonna be it, pretty much it for this day. Up a little bit more money. I think we closed out in profit overall, but I think 2 wins, 1 loss, 2 break evens. So let's go back and check real quick. Analytics. So we were at 93, so we took 4 trades. We got 2 break evens, 1 loss, 1 win. Win rate went down to 82.19%. 5 minutes still averaging. Average win is 24 minutes. Mondays they're a good day, considering we lost 500, but we've made 2,400. And close out 25% up in January. So let's look at, can I go back? So yeah, this was a break-even day. 2 trades, which was 1 break-even and 1 loss. 1 trade, which is the win. Let's go back. Ooh, this week was bad, man. So 1 break-even trade, 1 loss, 1 win. 1 loss, 1 win, 1 break-even, 1 loss. Oh wait, no, we only did this one. We did these 4. This one was already done, I think. Yeah, that was from last week. So this one is break even, win, loss, break even again, win. So yeah, all in all, it's okay. Just really starting to build the data. Really starting to see the ones that I like, the ones that I'm confident in. For example, the ones that I just showed, the last winning trade that we had, really confident in that one. But yeah, I think these are pretty good numbers, to be quite honest with you. And obviously, as you continue, you start risking a little bit more of on a compounding basis is kind of how I do it from month to month. But I don't think I've had a losing week. Yeah, I haven't had a losing week. This is still a profitable week because it's 217. So now I'm at 117. Now I'm at 40 minus. It was $87. Or $77. It's still a winning week. This one's clearly winning. This one's clearly winning. No losses this. Well, maybe I have a loss in here somewhere. This day probably had a loss, but yeah, it's pretty damn good. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this particular part 8 of the iFVG model.